Hi everybody. This weekend I don't have an improv practice, and it's kind of a rain day. Oh, I'm not sad. I'm very unsad. Maybe. Anyway, what I've been doing this weekend is installing latest Linux Ubuntu flavor. Ubuntu is a cool company, so if you want to know all about Linux, you can go to their webpage. That goes www.ubuntu.com, and you can click on a desktop. That's what you're seeing here. This is Linux, and they say, "Oh wow, Ubuntu for desktops. Learn how the Ubuntu desktop operating system powers millions of PCs and laptops around the world." Wow, I didn't know that's a thing. There's a button. Oh wow, let's click on download. And it will say 1604, which is kind of the old version, about 2 years old. 16 represents a year, 2016. And I'm testing now something called 1804, which is a very recent release, and it's still in beta, so it will be available in about a month. So come back and see this for a month. Linux can run on any PC, but there's a cool company called System 76 that work on Linux enabled hardware. So you can go on their webpage and see their planets spinning. They seem to be synchronized. Boy, those planets are on the same page. And the small one's pumping. It's probably a gym day. My gym day is usually Sunday. Sundays are gym days. Cool. They create cool laptops, and oh boy, there's the chemical people having such a big computer. 1, 2, 3, 4 graphics cards. Wow, I wonder what they do with 4 graphic cards. Leopard. Whoa. Anyway, if you have a lot of money, send me one of these. I'll use those graphic cards. What can you do with Linux? So normally you can do all the bunch of regular stuff. If you get sick and tired of your desktop background, you can go to the settings and click background, and there's some cool default pictures, and oh wow, there's a drone or a robot. And if you want people to get scared whenever they log into your computer, just do this. Look at these two eyes. They're probably doing x-ray scans and seeing right through your soul. Boy, that robot looks angry. You can use all the web stuff. Go to your favorite websites. Oh, it's Dallas Comedy House. Welcome to... it's so welcoming. Shows, classes, core bar. Wow, click on classes. Oh, I know them. That's Ashley and Caesar. I thought they already finished classes. Oh, that's alright. They will get there. Oh, what's that red bar? Dallas Comedy Festival. Wow, that's cool. The acts of 2018. Wow, so many. Wow. Improv, stand-up, sketch. Whoa, there's Watermelon from Dallas, Texas. That looks interesting. Cool. Ever wonder what a world would look like if it was inspired by your favorite artist? Well, Watermelon has that answer for it. Come out and laugh with it. Wow, you're not too late. It says performs Friday, March 30. Oh, 2018, 9:30. So you're set. Check this out. You can also watch Netflix. Oh yeah, I watch Netflix. And oh boy, all the good stuff. Can't watch it all. But look at that, Ricky Gervais Humanity on. Oh boy, you do care about humanity, don't you?
They weren't so lucky. They didn't make it out.
I'm probably infringing somebody's rights here. Oh well. Anyway, what else is cool? Oh, there is a Spotify. There's a bunch of apps, and Linux is kind of made kind of like the iPhone style stuff, where you can install all the apps through the package manager, and there's a way to do it. So you can install Spotify is one of those apps, and of course, first thing you want to open is Spotify to Handyman, and it's an artist that I never heard of, but I heard it on radio and I really like it. And I'll click that song. Oh, I think it's this one. Obviously, there is a lot of cool playlists like Watermelons, Get Hyped, Walker Dog, Freddy. Oh my god, so much good music. And Linux can do it for you, did you know? Discover Weekly. There's a bunch of cool apps you can go and do, like spreadsheets and stuff. I used to do them in Google Drive these days, but you can go and do some spreadsheets. There is cool other things. So these come by default, but there's lots of applications that you can install yourself. Kind of like iPhone. A lot of crap too, but there's a lot of good things. How about gaming on Linux? Wow. A lot of people have been complaining about it for years, but look at now. Linux has something called Steam, and Steam is made by Valve Corporation or company that specializes in gaming platform, and there is a version for Linux too, and like, wow, there's Civilization, and look at that, Lovers in Dangerous Spacetime. Wow, that sounds so cool, let's play it. Sounds like love and space. What could go wrong with that kind of game? Let's see if it works for Linux. Oh wow. Play game. Let's do slot 1. Player. Oh, let's do quick setup. Oh, there's dog. Let's take it. We are ready for resuming campaign. Oh, look! Oh, wow! I'm gonna jump, space. Ooh, oh, quick! I'm gonna shoot. Yeah, gonna use those weapons. Anyway, this is a lot of fun. This is a spaceship, so there's a way to go with it. I think I need to get to the next one. I think you get the point. You guys are smart. Alright, last thing I want to talk about is the command line. People get scared about command line, but it's really nothing scary. It's just text, and it's been on a black screen, I guess, because it's easier to see for your eyes, so it's darker. And terminal is something Linux has been kind of popular for, because the graphic side was perhaps not as great before. And you can give commands to Linux, or in fact it's the same for Windows, but it's more common in Linux. You can tell Linux what to do instead of clicking buttons. For example, if I would like to create a folder, I could go and do create a folder, and for name Caspers, and of course that's cool. But imagine you have to do that command line, so you could do, okay, let's go to the desktop, CD, that I'm doing change directory to desktop, and there I can see my folder Caspers there, and I say, hey, make another one. It says Caspers 2, and wow, a folder popped up named Caspers 2. So, but what if I have to have 40 folders? That would be a lot of clicking. So you could say, hey, system, create me 42 folders that are named Caspers, and name them Caspers plus the index. And you go like, oh wow, all these folders have been created. That's a lot of folders. That's a lot of time saved in clicking. So you could also do just delete them all, and they're gone. So it's cool. Command line is not that bad. You can do also things like ping. Ping is something that does network testing for reaching something. So you can say, hey, ping Google, and see whether it still works. And it will send some packet to Google and come back, and you'll see, oh, hey, it took 31 milliseconds for it to come back. So you can test how fast your network latency is relative to Google. Alright, that's all about I've been testing out on the latest Linux Ubuntu, so I'm pretty excited. I think it works really well already a month before release. So yeah, let me ask me some Linux question. if you want to. You're not my mom, so I'm not gonna install your computer, but you can ask some fun stuff. Alright, bye for now.